Hi, my name is Alan, and today I'm going to explain my final reflection on building the prototype for Frisa's problem situation, which was related to the warehouse and how it affects all of the other components of the company through the ideation of solutions that can help improve the quality and time efficiency of the warehouse and the processes inside the company. So I believe that by building this website for Frisa and this digital inventory, time efficiency can be improved inside the warehouse, as now all the processes can be digital and interconnected within each other, and no object or product is getting in or out of the warehouse without the system having it recorded. So there's going to be a lot more of control on what are the products or merchandise that are coming in and out of the warehouse. Our key hypothesis was that Frisa needed to make a technologization of the processes they made inside the warehouse and all the company itself. We think that by technologizing all the processes and all the resources they have, time efficiency and quality are going to be improved because of the benefits that technological resources have nowadays, and because of the mega tendencies that are presenting in Frisa's industry that are for 2030. So we believe that technologization is the key hypothesis in which Frisa can improve its overall quality. To find the final outcome of the project we are proposing for Frisa, we had to follow a series of steps in a process that guided us through validation, experimentation, and other processes and steps that were useful for us to determine which was the best solution for Frisa's warehouse. So we first thought it would be better to start with something brand new and innovative in the whole world, with a new technology that can be implemented in Frisa. But we then realized that implementing this type of technology would not be as cheap or as affordable as we thought it would be, and it would bring more cons than pros because of the adaptation that Mexico now has with these type of technologies. And it's not that these type of technologies are not going to be like a boom in the next years, but right now they are not being considered as the best options because of the cost they have and the few range they can have at this moment. But of course they could be useful in the future. Then we have to make a rough analysis of all the structure that Frisa has in its warehouse and how are things and processes working at this exact moment, and we can find that there were a lot of opportunities in which we could implement our proposal. We then find out that by digitalizing the inventory that they have right now would be the best option in which Frisa could solve the problem that they have right now of time efficiency and quality of products, as well as the control they have over the products inside the warehouse. We could determine that by implementing a digital inventory in which all the products were interconnected via a barcode or a QR code, and although all that information was sent to our computer and all the employees were able to access that information, would have positive consequences in the overall process of managing the warehouse. I believe that in the future, Frisa could make experiments with other type of new technologies that can be more useful than the technologies we're using right now. I just think that maybe this is not the perfect moment to implement those technologies, as they are not so popular here in Mexico and not worldwide. So I do believe that Frisa in the future should implement this type of technologies such as artificial intelligence systems in which all the products and all the warehouse is interconnected within itself, and there are robots working inside the warehouse, so to agilize times, reduce human capital. And finally, I believe that all this proposal that we have for Frisa would increase or would improve its value proposition to the customers, clients of course, and to the company itself, and also to the employees, and it will benefit this all of the segments that Frisa is now immersed in, and it will bring positive consequences for all of them if they implement a digital inventory that makes all products be interconnected within themselves inside the warehouse.